hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our EVS class. My dear students, we have started our second lesson. In that lesson, we have learned many interesting things. Do you remember what we have learned? Yes, we have learned about our family members. Alright, we have also learned the roles and importance of family members. Now, my dear students, in today's session, we are going to solve our workbook. Okay, so open your workbook, look and learn workbook part 1. Alright, in that open page number 6. Alright, on the page number 6, you will see some questions. Now, we will solve answers of that questions. Okay, students, let's start it. See here, in this we have the second lesson, that is my family members. Alright, we have learned about our different family members. Do you remember who are they? Yes, our family members are our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts, our siblings and cousins. Alright, now see here, in the first section, I remember you will see some multiple choice questions. In this, you have to write the correct option as answer. Alright, students? So, the first is, what are your father's parents called? Do you remember what are your father's parents called? Yes. Do they known as your parents? No. So, they are your grandparents. Very good. Here, are they your uncles? No. Grandparents? Yes. So, the option B is the correct answer. Alright? Then, in the second, what do we call our uncles and aunts' children? Do you remember? What do we call our uncles and aunts' children? Yes. They are nothing but our very good cousins. They are our cousins. So here the answer will be option A. Alright. Here in the option B you have to write here option B. And here in the second question you have to write option A. Alright. Then let us move toward the next question. See, here it is fill in the blanks using the correct words. Alright, from the bracket. The third one is all dash are related to each other. Now you know that here two options are given, that are family members and friends. Who are the people who are related to each other? Yes, they are family members. All family members are related to each other. So here option A. The first one you have to write in that blank. Okay, students? Then fourth one is, your brothers and sisters are your dash. Who are your brothers and sisters? Are they your cousins? No. Very good. Our brothers and sisters are nothing but our siblings. Alright, so here you will write siblings. Okay. Then let us move toward the next question, that is very short answer questions. In that you have to use the letters and you have to form a name of a family member. Okay. So here hint is given, aunt, uncle, father, mother and so on. The first fifth number is CISONU. Okay. What will be the word? Yes, its correct word is cousin. What is the spelling of cousin? It is COUSIN. Cousin. What is the spelling of cousin? COUSIN. The next is short answer question. Here, 7th number question is, what do you call a group of people who are related to each other? Do you know what do we call to the group of people who are related to each other? Yes, they are nothing but family members, or we can call it as a family. Alright, so you have to write your answer as a family. The group of people who are related to each other is nothing but a family. Now see, let us move toward the next slide. The next question is from section I understand. Alright, and the question is match the following. Here some pictures are given as we have learned the different jobs of our family members. Here some pictures are given the jobs. Alright, in this picture these people are showing with their jobs. Now we have to match with the correct name of the picture. Alright, do you help me to find out the correct name? Yes, let us start. The 8th picture is of a lady. She is with a book and she is explaining something. You can see the board also. So who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. So we will match the 8th number picture with the option B. She is a teacher. Then here 9th number picture. You can see here the man with the stethoscope. Who is he? Yes, he is nothing but a doctor. Alright, he is treating a baby and giving him medicine. So he is a doctor. Then 10th number picture. Here you can see a lady. That lady is doing something. Do you know what she is doing? Yes, she is cooking, she is cleaning, and she is also looking after her baby. So she is nothing but a homemaker. Who is she? She is a homemaker. And here in the picture number 11, the lady, she has a yellow cat. Do you know who has a yellow cat? Yes. Who wears a yellow cat? Yes, an engineer. So, 11th number picture is an engineer. Who is she? She is an engineer. Alright, these are the different jobs which our family members do. We have also seen different jobs such as driver, conductor, watchman, helper, nurse and many more. Alright, now let us move toward the next slide. See here, you can see question number 12, that is short answer question. Here you have to write the correct option. In the two brackets there are options given and you have to read the sentence, and from that sentence you have to choose correct option. Alright, so here artists or doctors are the people who paint or teach, dance, sing and so on. Do you know who is the people who know the dance, paint, reading, writing and different things? Yes, they are nothing but artists. So here we will choose from the first bracket option artist. Okay, and what is the work of artist? What do they do? Yes, here given paint or teach. Yes, so artists paint, the dance, sing and so on. Alright, then here 13th number. A teacher or doctor cures people by giving medicine or gift. Now tell me from the sentence you can choose correct two options, that are a teacher gives medicine? No. So here a doctor cures people by giving medicines. Alright, who cures people by giving them medicines? Yes, when you are ill you go to the doctor and doctor gives you medicine. So here option doctor cures people by giving medicine. Alright, understood? Yes. Let us move toward the next question. See here. Next question is from section I apply. Here you have to look at this picture carefully and you have to find out what these people are doing. Look at the first picture. What is that man doing? Yes, that man is Ronit's father. Who is he? He is Ronit's father. Can you tell me what he is doing? Yes. So read the option. Is he cooking? No. Cleaning the house? Playing? Or buying things? What he is doing? Yes. Option B. That is cleaning the house. Ronit's father is cleaning the house. So we will write here option B. Then here, look at the next picture. She is Richa's mother. Who is she? She is Richa's mother. And what she is doing? Yes, helping in homework, making food. Is she buying toys? Or is she looking after her ill child? What she is doing? Yes, Richa's mother is looking after her ill child. Whenever we are ill at our home, our mother look after, she take care of us. In the same way, Richa's mother is taking care of her baby. Alright students, now let us move toward the next question. I hope you have understood all the questions. Here, next question, you have to choose what your family does for you. You have to circle two options that are your family members do for you. Here, the first person, he is treating someone, he is checking someone. The second one is the lady, she is teaching to the children. Is this thing your family members do for you? No. Now let us see the next picture. That is here, one grandmother, she is telling story to her grandchildren. In the same way, our grandmother also tells a story. So we will circle this option as our grandmother tells a story and our other family members spend time with us in this way. Alright, so we will circle option B. Then option D, what is there? Yes, they are helping their child which is ill. Alright, in this picture, the parents, they are taking care of their child who is ill. In the same way, whenever we need our parents or whenever we are ill, they help us. Alright, so here these things, the option B and option D, these things our family members do for us. Alright, understood? Now let us move toward the next question. The next question is 17th number. Here, Lisa has a little brother. How can she help him? Now tell me, how can that Lisa help her little brother? Yes, in the same way, do you have a little brother or sister? Yes, or cousin? Yes. If you have, you also help them. Okay, you may also help them. So what you help them? Yes, or if you have an elder sister or brother, they may help you. So what they help you? How they help you? Yes, they may help you with your homework. They also look after you. So here they play with you. Here you can write one thing, that is Lisa can help her brother with the homework. Alright. And there are many things which you can do or your elders and brothers, your elder brothers and sisters are doing for you. But you have to write one from them. Alright. So we'll write here, Lisa can help her brother with the homework. Alright. The next question is from the section I explore. Here you have to write two things that are special about your family members. That is also in the last session we have written some special things about our family members. In the same way, here also you have to write special things about your family members. Such as if your father cooks nicely, then you can write father cooks. If your mother sings very nicely, then you will write here mother sings. whatever I have taught or whatever answers I have explained here. Alright, complete your workbook and send a photo. Alright, thank you.